Bharatiya Janata Party's Navneet Rana is at it again, challenging the Owaisi brothers in Hyderabad, where they have a stronghold, remember. And for years now, Navneet Rana is firing the 15-second no-cops dare again at the Owaisi brothers. She's saying 15 seconds are enough for the Owaisis. This, remember, is in reference to the 15-minute jibe that Akbaruddin Owaisi in 2013 had thrown, that if the cops vanish away for 15 minutes, dikha denge tab. And now she's charging back. Previously also, a few days ago when she had made the remark, there had been a huge showdown on that. Owaisi brothers had said, we are not scared of anyone's dare and challenge like that. Let's listen into what Navneet Rana has said now.
जब इस देश में किसी ने ऐसा कहा कि हमें 15 मिनट दो और 15 मिनट में पुलिस हटाओ, फिर हम दिखाएंगे, तो हैदराबाद जाने के बाद 11 वर्षों के बाद एक महिला उन्हें जवाब देती है कि तुम्हें, और आज भी अटल हूं मैं उस विधान से जो मैंने वहां पर हैदराबाद में कहा, तुम्हें 15 मिनट लगते होंगे। मैं आज भी कहती हूं, छोटे और बड़े हम सनातनियों को, हमारी विचारधारा के लोगों को सिर्फ 15 सेकेंड ही काफी है। जब इस देश में किसी ने ऐसा कहा कि हमें 15 मिनट दो।
Dipesh Tripathi is joining me from Mumbai over this. Dipesh, because at this point she had charged at them, but it appears that she's making that remark again because previously thought that this is too controversial. Should she be saying it? There was references if Election Commission could be moved by the Owaisi brothers, but she is daring to make that statement again. She's clearly championing on this one right now.
Yes, definitely. Today, that whether she's standing on a statement or will she take back her statement on Owaisi which she given yes. back in Hyderabad, that just remove police for 15 seconds and Owaisi brothers where have gone, nobody will know. But today when asked about it, Navneet Rana once again said that she firmly stands on her statement, and she will not take a word back of her statement. Now we have to see that what Assaduddin Owaisi will do, or what MIM party will take step in this regard, because already one FIR was lodged on Navneet Rana regarding her comment on Rahul Gandhi. So we have to see that what stand will opposition or MIM party will take on this.
Thank you very much for now, as Dipesh tells us that this precisely is Navneet Rana's strong rhetoric right now of how she's taking on the Owaisi brothers.